Hey guys, this is Ponyville Eyes and we're gonna be playing Minecraft Obby. And this game, we must go from different obby and we shall not fall on the ground. Right?
Yes. Right.
Whoever falls on the ground will start again here. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Go!
Go.
Oh, I see Blarshy. Ah!
Yummy na sana.
Wait, magtagal. I'm doing great. Oh.
Yes, you're great.
Ano? Woo! I cheated. Did I cheat?
No.
Guys, faster.
Oh, yes, I faster. Dali.
Ah! I fell. Nalaglag
You
ako.
fell?
Simula ulit ako sa una. No! I fell.
Oh, malapit na ako. Sana ko ito.
English? Yummy! You
fall.
fall. I fall again. I fell again.
Malapit na ako.
You left the game. The Eternity Pony left the game. Great.
Guys, hintayin niyo ako doon.
Ah,
Ikaw dyan kasi naka-charge.
Okay. Lakasan mo nga, be. Oh no. What?
Yes! Nauna ba ako? Oh my God.
Hey! You cheated!
Hey. Okay.
You cheated. Go back there.
Okay. The fuck there.
Hey, who put this?
And the
Yummy Pie, you're doing great! What?
I don't say is the function.
It's okay. Ah! I fell. No. No. Start. Faster, man. Yummy Pie. Oh no. I'm gonna be first. No. I cannot sprint. Oh, there we go. I'm faster. Yes. No. I fell again. Oy, you're laughing, Yummy Pie. Don't laugh. It's not funny.
Yes, it's the funny.
No. Ayan, there we go. I'm not gonna fall again.
You're funny.
Ay! Cheating! Binabago kapag kayo ng ganon, kaya pinahawak ko sa inyo gamit. Kaya nga pinapahawak ko sa iyo, iba, diba? Okay. No, Flaturity Pony! Oh! You cannot fly! That's cheating!
Oh yes, you're kidding. Wait lang, guys.
Flaturity! Ah.
I'm out. Again, yes, I'm out.
Ah, yes! You left the game again? Flaturity Pony? Flaturity Pony left the game. Wow!
Yes, ay diba? Ay ba yun? Next story na po.
Now! I fell again. No.
Okay.
What?
You're okay.
What?
You're not sick. I'm sick. You're pain.
Oh, no. I'm waiting for Flaturity.
Nandiyan ako. Is it a phone?
Okay, I'm fine. Flaturity Pony joined the game. Yay.
Yes. Ay, nasaan na yung hagdanan?
There's the stairs.
Nandito na nga. Alam ko na.
I'm on your back, Yummy Pie. Yummy Pie faster. Oh no, Flatterty Pony fell again. I'm the winner. Ha!
You're the winner.
Ha!
Yummy lumilipad, nakikita ko.
What? No! I
Tingnan,
fell!
lumilipad tayo. Nasa YouTube tayo. What are you talking about?
What?
What is this? What are you talking about?
We cannot go. We can't go to Fluttershy.
Given us nagyanak, guys. It's the
We need to go to Fluttershy. Let's go faster.
What faster?
No. Just be careful.
Yes,
Oh, wait, Yummy Pie, where are you going?
I'm going to Fluttershy.
Okay, me too. No, Flatterty Pony. Why are you always
Ay, okay. Nahulog ako.
faster? Huh.
Faster. You go first.
Okay, I'll go
Sana mahulog
first.
si Yummy.
No! Yummy Pie, you fell.
Tatapusin ko muna yan.
I'm on the Fluttershy now. Yay!
You're the Fluttershy now.
Let's go. I'm waiting for you here, guys.
Yes. Yes. Nandito na ako, guys.
Because I finished this, let's go here.
Wait lang, guys.
Go! If one of us finish the game, we can all go here now. Let's go.
Sino una?
Pwede na kayo dito. Kasi nga napunta na ako dito. Go! Let's go!
Okay.
You fly.
Yes, I'm flying.
We're gonna start here now. Dito na tayo magsisimula pag nalaglag tayo. Okay, let's go.
Wait lang.
The 30 Pony Yummy Pie. Up! Stop! Dahan-dahan kayo. Delikado yan pag pumasok kayo ng Fluttershy. Who gonna go first?
You go first.
Why me?
I'm first.
Okay, go Yummy Pie.
Ayoko.
Okay, let me try it first.
Talan mo ko.
No! I fell! I'm gonna start it up again.
No! Ayuhin mo ko kaya rin eh.
Ay, magsisimula ulit tayo sa hagdanan. Madaya ka. I fell!
Mahaba. Mahaba.
Oh, you cannot fly.
Okay. Ay, hindi ako nakanak.
Pag gusto mo lang ipagbabalik ka sa hagdanan. Dito sa yellow na hagdanan.
Nagyan na ba kayo, guys?
Faster! Flatterty Pony! Yummy Pie! You can fly! Go to us now!
Hi, guys. Very near.
Pwede ka na pumunta sa amin. Ay, madaya na kay Applejack ka na. Madaya.
Tumalon lang ako.
Madaya.
Nakala ko dyan. Tumalon na ako.
Okay, he already jumped. Oh no, I fell again! I hate this. I just hate it.
Wow. Go back to the bed.
Go.
Guys, like mommy in the wall.
I fell again!
Go ka na. Wala ka namang Minecraft. Ay, ang galing ni Africa.
Tutuwa si JC eh. Nagka-pony lang siya laro. Oh no!
Papakita lang ako.
Yes! I'm on Applejack now! Woo!
I'm on the week.
Hey, Flatterty! You can go here now!
Oh, wait.
Faster!
Oh,
We're waiting for you here. We're gonna start here now.
Wait.
Dito na tayo magsisimula kay Applejack.
Wait.
Stop! You cannot fly now.
Wow, galing na kay Africa.
Faster, Yummy Pie! What? No! That's cheating!
Oh, yes. It's staring at the glory. It's the peace.
Go back here, you cheater! Okay, let's go. Jump! 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 Jump. Yes. Jump. I am doing it. What, YouTuber?
Guys, nahulog ako kay Applejack.
It's okay. Applejack is hard though. Oh! I finished it first. Yay! Finish it in the first time.
Yeah, marunong.
Faster, I'm already here. You cannot fly. No, you can't go here. You're cheating. Ay, bawal. Di pa kayo natatapos.
Guys, sorry guys.
Go back.
I go back to here. Hagdana.
No. Okay.
Lian, bumalik ka
Why
dito
you
sa
guys
Hagdana.
always pen?
Lian. Bumalik ka dito.
Oh my gosh.
Papanaan ko yun. Wala na. Naman ako ulit. Bawag ulit na ako sa Hagdana. Iyon na nga. Kwenta mo. Pinakakit ako. Hindi ako makakit.
There we go. This is the finishing spot. Faster, yummy pie.
Hindi ako makatalo.
English.
Kaya.
What?
Kaya.
You cannot do it?
Yeah.
Try it faster.
No.
Okay, you can now fly. You can go here on Applejack now.
To the water.
No, don't go in the water.
I go the water.
Whee! I win! Yes, I win. I win. Yeah, wait, where's my... There we go. I win. Aha. The 30 pony doesn't win. She left the game. Wow. Okay, goodbye guys. Thank you for watching this video. As always, see you in the next video. Yummy pie, bye.